Ever wonder how some songs just show up everywhere overnight? 1 minute, it's crickets, and then suddenly your track is in every playlist from crying in the shower to boss mode leg day.
Boss mode, everything!
But what if I told you that kind of takeover isn't luck, and it doesn't take a viral moment or a budget?
You're gonna love this.
One artist in my program used this exact method and landed on over 100 playlists in under 10 days.
God, he's so cool, I hate it.
No ads, no influencers, just one deceptively simple move that triggered an avalanche of streams followers. And yes, algorithmic love from Spotify. The move? A fan-curated playlist contest. Sounds basic, but it's not. It's a psychological play. And once you know how it works, it changes the way you approach every single release. Look, I know what it feels like to drop a song, cross your fingers, refresh your stats like it's a crypto wallet, and nothing moves. You get 74 streams, 2 from your mom, 1 from a guy in Slovakia who accidentally clicked. But that's exactly why this works, because it flips the spotlight from you to your fans. Before I show you the secret, let me show you who's telling it.
You help a lot of people out here, bro.
It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you.
Make a song for you, so you know. I ain't even started. Got a couple things I'm working through. I ain't even started. Got lots of shit on my to-do. I'm just about to flex. Shit that don't include.
Instead of carrying all the weight, you hand them the keys and let them drive the momentum. People love showing off their taste. They want to be part of something. And when your growth becomes their flex too, that's when things catch fire.
It's a business, man. It's a business move.
One synthwave artist in my program ran this contest. Told his fans, make a playlist, theme it however you want, just include my new track. I'll repost the best ones. That was it. And his fans went wild. His song ended up next to The Weeknd.
Okay.
It was like wildfire. The best ones got featured, but even the non-winners stayed live, still feeding the algorithm. So here's how to do it.
Can I talk to you real quick? Just a second, please.
Real quick, for you artists who really care about skyrocketing your career, I put together a free cheat code checklist that breaks down all these hacks step by step. Click this link in the description to grab it anytime and use it like a Spotify growth map.
Now, where were we?
Setting up the whole picture.
Step 1, pick a theme. Give your fans a creative spark, something with a vibe. Villain energy, driving with ghosts, post-therapy comeback. Just match it to your song's world. Step 2, make the ask. Create a playlist, theme it, add my new song, title it, send it to me by Friday. Step 3, offer a reward.
Do it.
Doesn't need to be money, a repost, a comment, a shout out, a 15-second roast video, anything that shows love. Step 4, feature the winners, post them, link them, pin them, make it a moment. Step 5, let the algorithm cook, because the second your song shows up in multiple playlists across moods and genres, Spotify starts learning, recommending, testing. You're not just getting listeners, you're feeding machine learning with real context. And here's why this hits on a deeper level.
Hit me.
First, ego. When fans build playlists, it's self-expression. You repost them and suddenly they're not just supporting your music, they're being seen. That kind of validation goes deep. Second, social sharing. When people make something, they want to show it off. So they share the playlist. Friends click, friends listen. It's not check out this artist, right? It's check out this vibe I made, and this artist happens to be in it. Third, algorithmic diversity. Your song isn't trapped in one niche. It lives across fitness, sadness, romance, rage. That cross-pollination helps Spotify test you across listener types. Fourth, momentum stacking. This tactic isn't a one-off. You can do it every single drop. It compounds, it scales, it builds equity. Fifth, the bond. This isn't promo, it's co-creation. You're not talking at fans, you're building with them. That's how passive listeners turn into repeat supporters. Still skeptical? Let me paint the picture. You drop a song Friday. By Sunday, you've got 25 playlists featuring your track, all made by real people. Each one themed titled and shared. By Monday, new listeners start trickling in. By Tuesday, Spotify notices. By Wednesday, it starts running your song in test playlists. By Thursday, your stats spike. Not because of an agency, not because of a trend, but because real fans built something and Spotify saw the signal. That's the power of this strategy. No budget, no bots, no begging, just vibes and behavior science. And this is just the beginning. And if you're still here, you're not just watching, you're absorbing cheat codes most artists never hear. Grab the 50 Spotify hacks from my description below for free and go to my channel for even more cheat code videos like this one.
The end.
Gang.